So continuing from there, so we are splitting this using this body. So ensure that this one was selected, so you can just remove all these other solid, so you don't need them. So you can remove all of them and then click on escape. So we have automatically done that. As you can see now, our shell has a hole in it now. So let's open this. So next we want to create the fluid region inside. So we could just come here, come to the prepare tab here, then click on volume extract. You can click on this edge or the face for the first selection. Ensure that it's orange. Hold control and click on next face, and then click on this. So this is the region where the fluid will be created in. Press enter. So as you can see, our fluid has been created for the tube. So do the same again for this. So ensure that it's here. Click on this, hold control and click on this, and just click on this. So due to system it's better you just hold control and select both sides, so it would quickly generate the fluid region for this. So it might take time for some systems. So now we have both fluid region for both of them. So you can rename them. Right click and then rename. So you can just rename this as tube fluid. Rename. Yeah. Fluid. So basically we are done with this, and then so next we come is the workbench. So click on share and then ensure that they all share same topology. So just click on this and then click on check. So you can close this. So we are done with geometry. So you can come to mesh, right click and drop here, or we drop it on this. Either way works. So let's just create a standalone system. So drag this into this. So come to mesh and click on mesh. So we are done. We have opened it up. So come here to geometry under this. So here ensure that this is solid. So change this to liquid. So change to fluid. Change this also to fluid. So let's rename to that volume. This is not composing. So we have that done. Then and just come here. Click on this face selection here. So click on this face. Press N or right click on your screen and create main selection. Either way. So code inlet. Click on down here. Press code outlet. we are doing a counter flow heat exchanger. So if this one is an inlet, so this will be the other inlet. So click on hot inlet. Hot outlet. So we have that basically done. So we can now come to the meshing. I click on mesh and insert sizing. So come here for edge selection. So we select the two edges here, and here. So press apply, then change this to number of division, and this leave it at 60. So for here, change this, remember to change this to CFD, then put the element size at 2 mm. So for other people that have issues with their unit system, so you can just come to home and then ensure that the right unit are selected. So you right click on mesh and then generate the mesh. So you are done with this. So it's also important for you to check the node and element for personal projects. Since this is a student version, you must not exceed 1 million. If not, the system will not solve it. So you can close this, and then in the next tutorial we'll be looking at the setting of the physics.